How to fix YouTube quality unavailable problems. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can fix video quality option not showing on YouTube. So let's just go ahead and get right in with the video here. So let's just say that I went ahead and clicked on a video here. Now, this is a video I'm currently on. If I click the gearbox right at the top right hand corner, you should see that quality is available for my phone. But in many cases, people might actually have the problem where the quality shows and right next to the quality it says not available where the resolution or quality change would be at, right? Where it says 480p right now, it should say unavailable. Now, if you're having that problem, I'm gonna show you guys two solutions that actually worked for me in the past. So firstly, one of the solutions being that if you head over to your settings and then go to your Wi-Fi settings, make sure that you go ahead and log out of your internet and log back in, right? This could be just an internet problem, and it does happen frequently, and I've seen people have this problem, and usually a quick log out and sign back in usually diagnoses this problem. So go ahead and test this out. That's the first solution. Now, the second solution is if you head over to your app store. Now, make sure that your YouTube is actually updated. Now, most people don't actually update their YouTube, and usually they do have some auto updates for that, but usually it doesn't auto update. Maybe it just, the download actually messes up or something, right? There's many cases that does happen and stuff. So if you update your actual app, it might work. Now, if it still doesn't work right after that, the other approach you can actually go ahead and take is if you actually go ahead and delete YouTube, right? Hold YouTube, remove the app, and then delete the app as a whole from your app, right? Basically, once you go ahead and do that, re-download it and sign back in. More than likely, that'll be the fix. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys, and if it did not work for you, please leave a comment down below. I will go ahead and create another video if this did not work for you guys. So with that being said, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.